welcome back with the new tutorial. We're gonna learn in this tutorial. We're gonna learn about how to integrate your HTML CSS template into .NET Core and MVC. Yeah, first we need a template, so we go to any website showing giving free templates. We're gonna check and download it into our folders. Yeah, it's like the zip file. I already unzipped my folder over here. It's something like that, CSS file, fonts, images and JavaScript. Yeah, so we need to move these things, CSS, fonts, images, JavaScript and CSS file. So I already moved them over here. I got my CSS here, my fonts, images and JavaScript files into the JavaScript folders, and the CSS over here. So for the next one, I need to just what you're doing, yeah, I need index this file. I need to open it in any editor, but I'm using Visual Studio, so I'm going to open it over here. So I need this code from the index. That's actually the main page code. Just over here, just page it. Yeah. From that page, first we need to move all the links so we can use into our layout. Yep, exactly over here. Yeah, header. We need to exchange with the header. Exactly. Got this. Also, we need to move our navbar. So because you guys already know about. If you guys know the MVC, MVC .NET Core, you guys know about the navbar. Always we use it in layout pages. So to finish it from here, because I move it from here to into the layout page. So I'm going to move all the scripts. So because we declare all the scripts at the one time, we can't use on every page. That's why we declare over here in layout. Okay, yeah, done. But also I need to check, because that's not our exact path with the www root. But for the www root, we need to put some extra over here to assess the www root path. So I'm going to do it over here. Yep. Yeah, done. And also over here in JavaScript, because these are all inside the root folder and their own directory, CSS, Java, CSS or JS folders. So first we need to assess the www root folder, then we can assess the inside folders. Otherwise give a errors. It's not showing a proper page. Yeah, we need to save it and we need to run it again so we can check. It's not a big deal, it's just a few minutes job. Yeah. What about I'll show you guys for the remaining page. I just using the first main page so we can use it into as a template, implement it over here. Yeah, the guy here. Yeah, that's our page. That's I already downloaded it over here. You guys can see the URL of this page, and that's my website localhost page. It's into my local host. Yeah. If you guys see any problem with the images or something like that, you guys can go. You guys can go to the index. You guys can check the images path over here. I'll show you guys images. Yeah, images over here. You guys can check the path. If it's not it's difficult for your page to find these images, you guys can use the same root directory path over here as well. So that's all for now. It's done. It's not a big deal. Thank you guys. See you in the next one. See you. Thank you very much.